So children, I'm back again. Children, in your previous class you have learnt about long and short. Okay, so what is long and short? Long and short is nothing but it is to measure the things lengthwise. Okay, so to know the length of an object, we do the simple comparison by telling long and short. So children, I have a very small activity for you, so you can sit at home and do it. For that you have to see what you have to do. So come on, let's see. So children, see, I have collected some of the things which will tell you about long and short. Okay, what you have to do is, I have taken one yellow container and one white container. So what you have to do, you have to put the long things in the yellow container and the short things in the white container. So let me let me show you the things which I have collected for long and short. So children, see, this is a long rope. This is a very long rope. Okay, Mama uses rope at home. Okay, now this rope will go to the long container, in the long or the yellow container. Okay, now see the short rope, this will go to the white container. Now you see, I have two pencils. See, it is telling you about the length, no children. So the length of this pencil is long. So this will go to the yellow container. And this pencil is a shorter one. So this will go to the white container. Now you see, I have two rods with me. Okay, so this rod is quite long, so I will put it in the yellow container. Now you see, this rod is very short, so I will put it in the white container. Now you see, I am having two threads, children. Two threads. These things are readily available in my home, so I have collected these things. You can collect as many things as you want. Okay children, so this is a short or long one. This is a short thread, so I will put it in the white container. Now you see, this is a long thread, so where I will put it in the yellow container. See, this is so easy. So children, by seeing the length of the objects, you can tell whether it's a long object or it's a short object. Isn't it very easy, children? So children, I have another activity for you. What you have to do, you have to draw two logs. Okay, two logs you have to draw. This is so easy, children. This is a long log, and again you have to draw short log. See, it's very easy. And what you have to do, you have to color the long log with blue color. See, this is blue color. You all must be having crayons at home, children. So color this log blue. Okay, do the coloring properly. Okay, I am doing little bit fast. Okay, you can also do it. Color the log, the long log you have to color blue. Okay, do remember that. You can do it at home in your rough copy. Okay, after the school reopens, again we will do the practice. Okay, and this short log, you have to put this wonderful green color. Okay, I love this color, but my favorite color is red, no children. I love red color. Green also I like, but sometimes. Now you see, this log is green in color and this log is blue in color. It's done. So children, it's very easy to draw this log. Okay, first what you have to do? First you have to draw two lines like this. See, again I am showing two simple lines you have to draw, two circles. Your log is done. Okay, so I hope that you all are going to do this practice at home. Long, short, it tells you about the length of the object. Take care, stay at home, bye.